Whoa! Today we caught something absolutely wild. $XHLD. Yes. 10 holdings. Just got halted on a circuit breaker to the upside and it's up over 320%. That's not a typo. Our AI momentum scanner found this along with 4 other absolute rockets moving today. This is what we're hunting for every single day. Stick around and we're breaking down all 5 of these movers. Entries, targets, stops, everything you need to know. Let's go. We're in the aftermarket session today, August 6th, 2026. And our system just identified 5 high momentum stocks with massive relative volume and tiny float sizes. That's the recipe for explosions. The volatility we're seeing is insane. We found a 148% gainer, a 186% gainer, a double, and 2 more crushing 45% and above. When you're scanning 12,000 plus stocks every single day, patterns like this jump off the screen. This is exactly what we're looking for in the pre-market rockets show. Let's dive into each one. Number 1. $XHLD. 10 holdings. This one's already making news with a circuit breaker halt to the upside. Up 148.5% at the time of scan at $1.98. We got a 80 out of 100 momentum score on this thing. The catalyst was crystal clear. News break that it halted. And look at the float. Only 3.2 million shares. Volumes crushing at 129 million shares of relative volume. At these levels, entry was $1.9802. Target 1S. Watch it like a hawk at the open. Number 2. CLRO. This is where it gets interesting because there's no major news catalyst we see. But the machine gave it a 65 score and it's up 185.9% at $10.52. Healthcare movers are being watched by investors. And CLRO is in that sector conversation. Floats super tight at 2.1 million. Volume is 128 million with 2.0x relative volume. Entry at $10.52. Target $1.1158. Target $2.15.78. Stop at $9.5076. HNICALS and volume are screaming. Number 3. $DSY. Straight up doubling. Plus 102.1% at $6.75. Score of 65. No recent news. Which means this is pure momentum and technicals at work. Float of 3.8 million. Volume 7.25 million but 2.0x relative volume. Entry $6.75. Target $1.738. Target $2.10.125. Stop at $4.5039. This one's a moonshot too. When you see something double with no news and just pure relative volume and float dynamics, it's we need confirmation at the open. Number 4. WYHG. Up 135.6% at $7.87. Score of 64. No recent news. Float is bigger here at 40.3 million. But volume is massive at 114 million shares with 2.0x relative volume. Entry $7.87. Target $1.12.807. Target $2.14.728. Stop at $7.23. This one's still a moonshot because of that relative volume and the explosive move. Even though float's more substantial. Wide range. Wide targets. This thing's got room. Got room to run if it confirms. Number 5. $AZ. Rounding out our 5 is this strong rated stock. Not quite moonshot territory but still worthy of attention. Up 45.5% at $1.47. Score of 55 out of 100. No recent news on this one either. Float of 3.6 million. Volume of 139 million with 2.0x relative volume. Entry $1.47. Target 1 is super tight at $1.4998. Target 2 $1.5251. Stop at $1.37. You can see the targets are much tighter here. Here's what we're watching for tomorrow. First, at market open. We need confirmation on these moves. Circuit breaks can reverse just as fast as they happen. $XHLD is the one to babysit because halts don't always resume with the same momentum. For the others, $CLRO, $DSY, WYHG, $AZ. We're watching for either a retest of today's entry prices or a breakout through today's resistance. Relative volume at 2.0x is strong. But when the market opens fresh, new sellers come in. Watch for the first 15 minutes of price action. If you see a retest and reversal above entry, that's your green light for a target run. If you see the open come in lower, WAIT, don't chase. The risk reward gets worse every dollar away from entry. Also, keep an eye on the broader market and any overnight news flow. One earnings surprise or macro headline can reset everything. That's why we scan every day. The rockets that worked yesterday might not work today. So we're always hunting fresh setups. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. Want deeper analysis, real-time alerts, and a community of traders hunting these same setups? Head over to TDVW.com and join us. That's TDVW.com. We've got premium scans, video breakdowns, and real traders sharing their setups every single day. Don't miss the next rocket. See you at TDVW.com.